Discord Nitro are giving away YouTube Premium free for 3 months, and I'm going to show you how to get it. Before we start with the video, I just want to say some disclaimers. You cannot redeem this if you have already subscribed to the YouTube Premium before or used a free trial, and that this promo is only available for some regions. The first thing you want to do is to head over to settings, click on gift inventory and see code. Once you have copied the code, click on redeem. Once you've done that, it will redirect you to YouTube. Just copy the code and click next. Now click on try for free. Set up your payment method and click next. Once you have done that, it will redirect you to YouTube Premium. Click on close, and that's it. You have now got YouTube Premium. If you head over to your YouTube membership, you can also see Premium being activated as well. You can't use a fake card because YouTube will take out a small fee to make sure the card is genuine, and then they'll refund it back to you. And if you can't redeem the code right now, wait for 30 minutes up to an hour, because so many people are redeeming the code at the same time. So be patient and it will work. But that's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you did enjoy the video, drop a like and I'll see you in the next one.